Welcome back to Insibles, everyone. So we had a major continuation from yesterday's video with DWAC. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above from here, which indicators will give us confirmation on that major continuation that we're looking for. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute chart with you guys here on DWAC, then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. Again, we did mention them in yesterday's video, looking for a continuation from $50 on that volume spike that we mentioned in the Insibles room. Now continuing on to $66 going to today, over 20% from yesterday's video. I'm going to go over exactly what we're looking for here. But before I get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned ISIG halted today at $14.17, jumping up over $22 on the day, over 50% on that breakout. And we also do mention pre-market news before market open every single day. We mentioned EFOI from pre-markets news at $2.30, jumping up to $4.42 on the day, over 40% on that breakout. And we also did mention DARE on our weekly watch list, getting FDA approval yesterday, over 40% on that breakout. So if you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So as you guys can see here on the 5-minute chart, again, we did mention them yesterday at $50 on this volume spike, and we did continue on up today. Again, we did mention in yesterday's video, if we did hold the 20-moving average over the 50 here going into today, then we would have this continuation. And sure enough, as you guys can see, we did have this 20-moving average cross up here and give us this major breakout that we also did mention in the Insibles room today on this volume spike at about $54 when we did have that breakout. Sure enough, has been continuing all up to $66. And as you guys can see, midday, we did have the 20-day moving average crossing below the 50-day moving average and then crossing back up. So as you guys can see, going to extended hours, we are just bouncing right off the 20 moving average, looking to see if we can continue on to respect this 20 moving average going to tomorrow is going to be very key. Again, we did have the 20 moving average crossing below the 50, so we want to make sure we do respect the 20 moving average going to tomorrow and continue to break continue highs. Now, jumping back to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking out for overall. So as you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart, again, we had a major breakout from $10, jumping all the way to $170, which we did mention also in the Insibles room. Again, this is a SPAC, a special purpose acquisition company, helping Trump Media Technology go public. So again, this is huge for DWAC. So there is a lot of hype that does come behind this. If we do get past a certain level, in my opinion, we could have a major continuation, and that level is to break over $74 here to have more room to run, in my opinion. We have a strong resistance here at $74. So again, we are leading into a strong resistance with the 20 moving average still below the 50 here on the 4-hour chart. So again, we could just get curled down here and continue on down. So again, we are going to be careful, making sure we do break over $74 going to tomorrow is going to be exactly what we're looking for here. And to get more confirmation on momentum here, we're going to go back to the 5-minute chart so you guys can see what the MACD looks like. So as you guys can see, we do have this decrease in buy pressure. We also have a decrease in sell pressure, looking to see if we can continue on past that momentum that we had this morning from that spike that we had from yesterday at $50, jumping all the way to $66 going today, looking to see if we can continue on with more momentum here. Breaking above that buy pressure point here is exactly what we're looking for. Now, to have that confirmation on that major continuation, and in my opinion, we are going to need more news to have that continuation major breakout here. We are going to be looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure points that we had on this major spike when we did find out that Trump Media Technology was IPOing. As you guys can see, we had our large buy pressure point that we had on that major spike here. And as you guys can see, we had a bounce and we got rejected at about this level here. So looking to see if we can break above at least this buy pressure point to have more continuation momentum, and looking to see if we can break above that previous momentum here to have that major continuation. Of course, breaking into new highs at that point is exactly what I'll be looking for that buy pressure point. So going all the way back over to which buy pressure we do have at this point in time, you guys can see we are just trying to continue on up, break over $74, so that way we do have more room to run. So we will keep DWAC on the watch. If we do continue on up, we will be looking to see if we can break above these previous buy pressure points that we had on that major breakout that we had previously with DWAC. And again, with that said, I know the market has been very choppy. Most breakouts have been pre-market news in the open. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, and everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys, and I will see you guys tomorrow in pre-market. God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.